Attention all dropshippers. The hashtag #CleanTalk hashtag on TikTok is trending like never before. Based on big data and social media trends, we've selected 6 high-conversion, high-profit cleaning winners to help you kickstart your business. First up is the electric spin scrubber. With 4 professional brush heads, it handles everything from bathtubs to stovetops. This versatile essential is a top seller for any store. With a low sourcing cost, the profit margin can reach an impressive 54%. Second is the screen cleaner. This 2-in-1 spray and wipe tool is pocket-sized and incredibly lightweight, making international shipping costs almost zero. It's the perfect traffic driver, with profit margins as high as 70%. Third is the robot vacuum. At only 7.2 centimeters slim, and with app control, it's not just a traffic magnet, it's a star product to boost your profit per order. This product consistently generates high engagement and likes on TikTok. Fourth is the professional steam vacuum cleaner. Specifically designed for tough stains on rugs and sofas, it's a regular in viral deep cleaning videos. The visuals of suctioning dirt are pure clickbait, bringing you tons of free, targeted traffic. Fifth is the handheld vacuum cleaner. Featuring 25 kilopascals powerful suction, and a built-in LED light to spot every dust particle, it's perfect for both home and car cleaning. Google Trends shows steady, year-round demand, making it a reliable winner. Finally, the reusable pet hair remover. With its cute penguin design and eco-friendly washable concept, it perfectly solves the cost-saving pain point for pet owners. Data shows steady demand in the pet niche, making this a low-entry, high-repeat evergreen favorite. Want to sell these winners? Visit the Video Hub at Doba.com now. You can download high-definition video assets for all these products. With just one click, you can add these products directly to your store and start selling.